Picnics in school were always very exciting, but my mom made them even more interesting by packing aloo toasties in tiffin for me during picnic days. Let me show you how to make aloo toasties. Let's start by preparing our super yummy filling. I have a shallow pan over here in which I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. As it heats up, I'm going to add in 1 chilli, 2 cloves of garlic. As soon as it's aromatic, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of green peas. These are frozen green peas. Next, I'm going to add in half an onion. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. As soon as the onions soften, I'm going to add in 2 boiled potatoes. I've just peeled and grated them. I'm going to season this with salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala and 3/4 teaspoon of Coriander Powder. Mash the potatoes and mix all the masalas in. And now I'm just going to add a splash of water to make the filling very spreadable. If you like, you can also skip the green chilies and go for red chili powder instead. And when everything is well mixed, our mixture will be ready. I'm going to place the filling in a bowl for easy assembly of my sandwich. Now let's start with the assembly of our sandwiches. I have some slices of bread over here. Let's start by adding butter on them. Apply butter generously on both slices of the bread. On one side, I'm also going to add in a little bit of green chutney. If you want to learn how to make a super simple and yummy green chutney recipe, watch the link in the description box below. I'm going to spoon over a few teaspoons of the filling and I'm just going to spread it around, making sure every inch of the bread is covered with the filling. Now I'm going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Cover with the next slice of bread. I'm going to top it off with a little extra butter just before toasting it on a hot tawa. I have a tawa heating up over here and I'm going to toast this till it's nice and golden brown. Adding in a little extra butter on this side as well. Let's flip it over. Looks beautifully golden brown. It's very tempting to toast 2 sandwiches at once. Be patient and do it one at a time so that you get a beautiful even color all throughout. The sandwich has toasted beautifully from both sides. I'm going to take it out on a plate and I'm going to make the other sandwiches in the same way. I'm going to cut the sandwich diagonally. Let's see how it looks from inside. Our super simple aloo toastie is ready to serve. This is not only going to be loved by kids but adults alike. You can switch up the chutney for any sauces of your choice, and when you do that, let me know in the comment section below as to what you're using. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.